Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a comparison video. You guys know how much I love doing comparisons, but today I'll be comparing between two products from the Curl company, and I'll be using each one on either side of my hair. In today's video, you're going to see the application and the results of me using the styling cream gel, and you're also going to see me using the Enhance and Perfect Curl cream. But before we get into this comparison, please subscribe to my channel and also join me on social media. So before we get into this video, I'm going to start off with the results, and I really can see a difference in the way that each styler performed. On this side of my hair, I use the styling gel cream, and on the other side of my hair, I use cream. And on this side of my hair, my curls are a lot tighter, and it does have a little bit more shine. On this side of my hair is a lot looser, but you guys can see in the video as well. Let me know which side that you like. Now let's get into the application and an overall thought. Let's start off with the styling gel cream. Both of them, as I said earlier, from the Curl company, and this is a frizz control, humidity defense, ultra smoothing, and it also promises curl definition as well. Because it's a cream, or rather a gel cream or cream gel, I could apply it in larger sections. Application was so easy. It coated my curls really well. I didn't need to apply it in small sections. The application was very easy. At the back it says that it's for curls as well as coils, and it says if you have a problem, if you have unruly hair, undefined curls or thirsty curls, then this one is for you. In the video you can see the application, and these are the results. Let's move on to the other side. So on this side, I use the Curl Enhance cream. Both of these products right here promise frizz control, humidity defense, ultra smoothing, and curl definition. With the curl cream, at the back it tells us it's for waves, curls, as well as coils, whereas the cream gel is for curls as well as coils. So you can see that there's a little bit of a difference in terms of the hair type or curl pattern. And then it also at the back promises that it's for frizzy hair, unruly hair, and it will also define curls as well as waves. Now, I barely refreshed my hair in the morning, to be honest with you guys. Just the front parts here were just a little bit frizzy because of my nighttime routine, but that's a given. But in terms of me touching up anywhere else, I didn't do that. I haven't even fluffed my hair out. This is literally what my hair looks like straight after taking my hair out of my silk scarf and kind of just shaking it and letting my hair do what it does. Personally, I'm very impressed with the results. I do like this side a little bit more, but there's more shrinkage, but I like the way my curls are just popping. I used this product in 2016 and I hadn't used it since. And I used it while I was on holiday in Brazil, and I remember really liking it. But back then I only used the curl cream, and these were the results that I got. And with humidity, depending on your hair type, some of us, our curls thrive in weather that's very humid. Others, your hair really doesn't like it. My hair does fine in humid conditions or dry conditions, but I remember using this in 2016. I was on holiday and my curls were popping. So when you're traveling, it's always difficult to find, you know, a curling or styling product that's really gonna work, and this did great. I'm in Johannesburg at the moment, and these are the results in dry conditions, and I used this in a humid condition in Brazil a few years ago, and I got amazing results as well. Overall, I am very impressed with this product. Both of these, as I said earlier, are from the Curl company. Now when it comes to ingredients, this is only paraben free, and the first ingredient is water. So if you're someone who's very fussy about what you put on your hair, please be careful. You guys know I love trying out new products, but this is only paraben free. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this comparison video. For me, it was so much fun as usual. These are the results. My curls are soft, they are not crunchy at all. I have hold. I can fluff my hair out and make it as big as I want. I am happy with the results. Drop your comments down below. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.